Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can mine Ravencoin in HiveOS, and the pool we're gonna use for mining Ravencoin is Flypool. You find the link in the description. It's for ravencoin.flypool.org. Just go to this page where you can add your wallet address later on so you can see your miner stats. Alright, but first we need to go and create a wallet in HiveOS. So to do that, we're just gonna log into our HiveOS account. We're gonna go to this menu option, wallets. Alright, now we're gonna go up to the top right corner and click on add wallet. So you need to grab a wallet address from your crypto wallet. In my case, I'm using Binance. If you also want to use Binance, you find the link in the description, and just sign up for Binance to create a Ravencoin wallet address. Alright, and also disclaimer, this link is an affiliate link. That means I will get a small commission if you sign up through my link. Okay everyone, so the link is in the description. Okay, so after I have signed in, we're gonna hover over wallet. We're gonna go to fiat and spot. We're gonna search for the coin RVN. Go down to this one, Ravencoin. Go all the way to the right and click on deposit. Alright, now we got this Ravencoin address. We're just gonna copy this one. We're gonna go back to HiveOS. We're gonna select the coin, so Ravencoin. We're gonna add a wallet address that we grabbed from our crypto wallet, in my case Binance. We're gonna name this to whatever you like, so Ravencoin wallet. After that, you can choose a source if you like. So in my case, I'm using Binance. You don't have to do this if you don't like to. After that, we're just gonna go and click on this one, create, in the bottom right corner, like that. So now we have the wallet in place. Now we're just gonna go back to farms. We're gonna go into the correct farm. We're gonna go into the worker, and now we're gonna go and click on this one, flight sheet. Okay, we're gonna go to this link, flight sheets. So to manage your flight sheets, go to flight sheets, just click on this link. Okay, so now we're gonna go and create a flight sheet. So we're gonna select the coin, Ravencoin. We're gonna select the wallet that we just created, so Ravencoin wallet. We're gonna select the pool. So the pool we're gonna use is this one, Flypool Ravencoin. So we're gonna select pool, we're gonna go down and find this one, Flypool. I'm gonna go and select the pool server. I'm gonna select worldwide. I'm gonna go and click on apply. After that, we're gonna select the miner. So I have NVIDIA cards, so I'm gonna use T-Rex. But if you have AMD cards, you may use one of the other miners, alright? In my case, I have NVIDIA cards. I'm gonna use T-Rex. Alright, we're gonna name this flight sheet to whatever you like. So Ravencoin T-Rex miner. Alright, we're gonna go and click on create flight sheet, like that. Now you can see this flight sheet in the list. So now we're gonna go and start the flight sheet to start to mine Ravencoin. So we're gonna go to workers, go into the worker, we're gonna go to flight sheet, and just locate your Ravencoin flight sheet. Just go all the way to the right and click on this logo to start to mine Ravencoin. Alright, so we can see that we are sending config to your rig. So now we're gonna go to overview, and now you have the options to overclock your GPU to get the maximum hash rate for Ravencoin. First, I recommend you to just change the power limit so your card doesn't get too hot. Alright, so to do that, just check right here. We have power limit 100 watts, we have power limit 70 watts. So the lowest number we're gonna focus on, and you may add 20 to 30 watts more. So we're gonna go to the right, we're gonna click on this overclock logo, and we're just gonna go to power limit. So for this one I'm just gonna add 130 and click on apply. All right, and as you can see we are getting a hot card right away. So for this one it's PL70. So for this one I'm just gonna go and add 90. So power limit 90. After that, just go and click on apply, and this should bring your card temperature down right away like that. And if you want to cool this card even more, you can just go back and set the fan speed to 100%. Click on apply like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go and grab some overclocking settings to increase the hash rate on this one. After that you can just do the same step on all your cards. So the card we're gonna overclock in this tutorial is this one, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. And also disclaimer, you overclock your GPU at your own risk, just so you know. So to do that we're just gonna go to hashrate.no. If you have LHR card you're gonna go to this one, LHR, or if you don't have LHR you can just go to this one, NVIDIA or AMD. So in my case I have LHR card, I'm gonna go to LHR. We're gonna go down and locate my GPU, so in this case NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti, and we're gonna click on this one, Ravencoin, and we can expect about 31 megahertz per second. So I'm just gonna go and click on Ravencoin, and this will bring us down to Ravencoin Overclock. So the recommended miner is T-Rex. We have Overclock Medium, expecting hash rate 29 megahertz. We have Overclock High, expecting hash rate 31 megahertz. So in my case, because I have Samsung, I'm gonna try Overclock High right away. But if you don't have Samsung, you can try out Medium, and if everything works well you can work your way up. So the overclocking settings we're gonna use is core clock 200, memory clock 2600, and power limit 170. Expected hash rate 31 megahertz. Alright, so we're gonna go back to HiveOS. We're gonna go and click on the overclocking logo to the right, this one, and just add the values. Core clock 200, memory clock 2600, fan speed I'm just gonna add 100%, and just check the temperature, and after that you can work your way down maybe to 80% and so on. This is for you to test out. Alright, and for the power limit we're gonna add 170. And after that we're just gonna go down to the bottom right corner and click on apply. So now you can just go and set the auto refresh timer to maybe 30 seconds, and then HiveOS will update this page every 30 seconds so you can see the increase of the hash rate. Okay, so after a couple of minutes with these overclocking settings we get 31.10 megahertz per second with the algorithm Kawpow. Alright, so this one. So everything works, and just do the same thing with your other cards to overclock your GPUs. And now you can just go to this one, ravencoin.flypool.org, and you're gonna add your wallet address to see the stats when you're mining Ravencoin. So we're just gonna go and grab the wallet address. We're gonna go back to ravencoin.flypool.org. We're gonna paste the miner address right here and just hit enter. Okay everyone, so here you can see the stats when mining Ravencoin. It may take up to 24 hours before you see the correct values. Alright. Also we have a mining Discord server. We are all about mining, and we also have a specific channel right here under coins to mine. We have this one, Ravencoin, if you want to talk about Ravencoin, if you need help with anything. Alright, so you find the link in the description if you want to join this Discord server. Okay everyone, so if this video helped you out, please subscribe for more of these tutorials. So What's Crypto is only about cryptocurrency and things around this space. Have an awesome day, take care, and bye.